from a psychological perspective, what happened to George in the series Seinfeld in this episode.
Sandwich is making me flush.
Oh, no. I'll tell you what you did, Caligula.
So when George starts to blush and get aroused when he sees food, this is a learned association. One form of learned association is classical conditioning, and the most well-known example of it is probably the Pavlovian dog. So what Pavlov did was that he conditioned or trained the dog that when he heard a neutral stimulus, a bell, the dog started to salivate. So the process of classical conditioning is as follows, right? You take an unconditioned stimulus, for example, food, that triggers an automatic response, salivation. And then you pair this unconditioned stimulus with a neutral stimulus, in this case, a bell. And by continuously pairing the bell with the food, the dog started to salivate when he just heard the bell, even when the food was not present. And then you have a conditioned response salivation. So you transferred the response from the food to the bell. The example of George is a bit different, that we have two unconditioned stimuli, but it is the same process. Now in marketing, this is a very useful concept. Classical conditioning can explain, for example, why a celebrity or influencer advertising works. So let's say you have a brand and you want to profit from the positive attitude people have toward a celebrity or influencer. So you pair the celebrity and the product or your brand in an advertisement. And then you repeatedly show your audience this advertisement, and they will start to associate the celebrity and the brand. And specifically, the positive attitude toward the celebrity will transfer to the brand. And in the end, when people see the brand without the celebrity, they will still have this positive attitude, this positive response automatically toward the brand. And that's the idea. Now, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.